Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with a clean, contaminant-free surface. Wash and clay bar the panel you'll wax. Once done, move into shade and confirm the paint is cool. 50 to 75 degrees F is ideal. Apply a thin, even coat with a foam pad or soft cloth, pressing lightly in 1/2 circular patterns. This maximizes contact and spreads Carnauba without waste. Make sure to work one panel at a time, so the wax films stay wet long enough for correct curing before you move to the next section. Once the wet film dulls to a slight haze, typically 3 to 8 minutes depending on temperature, you begin buffing. Use a plush microfiber and buff in light cross patterns to lift residue without scratching. Rotate or fold the cloth to reveal a clean face often. If you want more gloss and durability, apply 1 to 2 additional thin layers, making sure each layer cures for about 10 to 15 minutes before buffing. You'll see depth build gradually, rather than from one heavy coat. Finish by doing a final wipe with an ultra-soft microfiber and inspect the panels from different angles to catch streaks or high spots. If smears or oily residue persist, gently remove them with a 50/50 isopropyl alcohol and water wipe, then reapply a tiny spot and buff to match surrounding gloss. Make sure you avoid washing the car for 24 to 48 hours to let the Carnauba fully set, and plan maintenance reapplication every 3 to 4 months for sustained protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.